Hello guys, here we are. Just a young one, aren't you? Hello, how are you? Yes. Alright, so what we have is, this is the Police National Head Dog Training Centre. We have a system of flushing away the poops of dogs. Now, unfortunately what's happening is whoever plumbed this in, the grate here gets caught up all the time, and you got hair and everything going down, so it blocks us up, goes through there. These are wash down channels for washing the kennels out, and over this way we have septic system over there for catching all this. So the first step is to, I've popped the manhole there, can't see any blockage over there. So we get in here and we have a look. See, this is the pipe coming through from the poopy flushes. With the blockage spot as well. As you can see, you know, dog hair and everything gets in there, and then this, you got this very fine. So this is in the way. It's done stupidly. See, there is a catch, great to catch all the hair and particles, but someone has plumbed this up so silly. It's just a joke. Really, just supposed to try and come to the side, but there's our outlet pipe, is it? So it literally is now. Oh, big worm in there. I'll probably just about get that with just by using one of the kennel hoses, high pressure water, if we get that going. Okay. A lot of dogs here today. Alright, so what we're going to do is see if just literally the pressure, just open pipe down there basically, I think, if I recall, or a trap, I can't recall. There's some leaves. Try to get it all loose up there. With the plunger rod, try and catch out some of that stuff. There we go. Future recruits. Hello. And there you can see the water coming through there. Just need to get it all clean out. Let's just see the fish I can catch everything. go. See, very simple. What have we got? See, lots of hair and stuff. This is the great catch, to catch all that fine hair. It makes it really, the way this is done, makes it really hard for the staff to actually clean this out. I'm actually try and cut that back right up high now. It's just been too much of a pain for these guys. It's annoying. So I think there's one to do down that end too. So it's quite busy at the moment. There's a lot of training going on. So let's just get that over there. Get this cleaned out. What we'll do is just like lock that over there. Stay still. There you go. You should see all that water coming through there. See that, just gunky brown poops and hair, and there we go, chunky. Look at that, see? And leaves blowing, everything. Almost need to have it plumbed in separately direct. And then that goes from there through to here. So let's just pull that back a bit. Dogs aren't in here at the moment, but we'll come back and check the next one. Yeah, it's looking good. All right. Sits in there. Right. So let's go down the other end and deal with the other side now. Alright, so how tight is that one in there? Maybe get a undo that. Just go grab a tool to undo that. promised. Just put a glove on. Might as well just about clear it with a hand. Actually, I've got to lie down in this trench. Oh yeah, I can feel. Oh yeah. It's doggy poopy. There's a tree. That's a good thing to try actually. Yeah. Just gonna find out. There you go. Let's see, here we go. Gonna stay in. Just trying to get it. It's been a fighter. It's definitely a fighter, this one.
So you feed the water, comes in and then
high pressure, yeah, that's right. Yeah, high pressure. So trying to. Here we go, man. Half one lots of stuff in the face, definitely, yeah.
I'm standing back here, okay,
Yeah, I had just about a whole building once on me.
Come on, keep going.
Well past the other one, so we haven't gone through it, but you already done that?
Yeah, it's just water just sitting in the trap.
In that trap? Alright, I'll keep going. I should be close to the manhole. Yep. So nearly the manhole, I think. Yeah, I think they must be pushing something. There we go. There we go. That's us. Let's go check out the other manhole. Oh yeah, there we go, bubbling through. It's coming through here now. There we go, that's it. There we go. You ready? Sit, 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 sit. Good dog. Alright, I'm gonna go check that now, okay? You wait here. I'm gonna close that so you're safe. And one more. We'll do one more, okay? You ready? Yeah, it's a good dog. Burn off some energy. just gets us up there. Probably here and that, but and then what this does is these are, believe it or not, these are little dog toys. You throw the doggy poo in there. That's what comes out there. Now these never used to be here. They used to basically just have those grates like that over the holes and no stuff got in them. Now I should just do this, wash the dog poo, came off here, pick them up. And so obviously decided to install these. And ever since these have been in a lot more trouble, because obviously this grate sits to here and it all sits open, so leaves, stones, everything gets into here. Alrighty, so what we might do is pack all this up, close all this up, and we will go and run the water down there and see how we go. Right, so we've got the water tank on there. Let's go have a look at that. Hello. Hey, how are ya? You want me to truck that? Tasha? Here. Get your workout. And out we go. Job done.